Hello guys, and welcome back to Ready Set Viral. Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about tips for the beginning of the school year. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. School is definitely one of the most important parts of everybody's lives. Unfortunately, as long as most of us can still enjoy the break from it, it also comes to an end with terrifying speed. And with the beginning of a new year, we present with you new tips on how to become cool because hey, that's what everybody wants, isn't it? As much as we try to deny it, being popular and liked among us peers definitely improves our school life. And it's very crucial for us to feel good, especially since we spend so much time there. It also helps us relieve our stress that comes with grading when we're surrounded with people that like us. Also, many of you are probably going to a new school, meeting new people, and want to make your first impression. Have you ever looked at someone with so many friends who was very known in school and thought, wow, I wish that was me? Don't worry, because we're here to help you with that. You can be that person. Let's start with something very easy, and many of you seem to forget it. Just be yourself. As effortless as that sounds, it's definitely true. Most people don't like fake people. Therefore, if you're not going to pretend like someone you're not, your peers are without a doubt going to value that. That's the first and most important step. Even if some people will not like the person you are, there are always going to be ones that will. And don't forget about it. It's not important to have many friends, but to have true ones. The second tip is going to be something a little bit harder. Be up to date. You don't have to follow trends if you don't like them, but acknowledging them is always a good option. If you know what's popular recently, when people are around you, you're going to speak about them and you won't feel excluded from that conversation. You can, and even should, make your own statements on those things and interest your listeners with your unique opinions. But remember, hating things just because they're popular is not good. Be true to yourself and don't be ashamed that you like something that's well known. The last tip is to take care of your looks. By dressing the way you want, express yourself. People are always going to notice a person who feels good in their own clothing, makeup, or hair. Therefore, never dress the way someone expects you to, but the way you want and choose to. That'll make you much more interesting, and we're sure your peers will not pass by that without seeing. Don't be afraid to be noticed. It's fun, and honestly, people love genuine people. Follow these tips and we're sure everything is going to go just the way it's supposed to. It could take a lot of courage, but remember, things are also very appreciative that we just said in this video. But before ending this video, we also want to talk about the most important issue, which is that not everyone is able to achieve popularity in their school life, and many teenagers do struggle with bullying. Because of that, going to school and spending a few hours there could be very stressful and even make them struggle with their mental health. To help them, we prepared a few tips and tricks on how to become more cool, or how to be more personable. But remember, if it's a serious problem, please contact someone professional, a therapist, a doctor, or a hotline. Your health and well-being should always be your number one priority, not being cool. In conclusion, these are some of the best tips and tricks on how to be cool in school. Remember though, you should always be yourself and never change just because others want you to. Make sure to let us know in the comments down below if you've used any of these tips. Have people responded to them? Have you felt more included? Are you enjoying yourself more at school? We'd love to hear your opinions on what we've told you. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button as well as turning post notifications on so you never miss out on a single video from us in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because you'll love them just as much. And we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!